And this is the last case we're taking before, everything else will come back this afternoon. Court is calling 2025 CR 0000582, State versus Isaiah Story. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Howdy, Joe Stenberg, representing the defendant Isaiah Story.
All right, is there any applications in this case?
Any what?
Applications for deferred or?
No,
Okay,
is it to do?
all right, and are you Mr. Story?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, and
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Story, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Mr. Story, did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Before Judge Boyd even utters the sentence range, 2 to 20 years, you can feel the tension in this courtroom thicken. Think about it. Isaiah Story, barely 17 at the time of the offense, is staring down the possibility of 2 decades behind bars. The judge doesn't sugarcoat it. She lays the law out flat, and here's the kicker. When a defendant hears this, it's not just words. It's a future being measured in years, not days. Viewers, imagine sitting in his chair. Could you calmly nod, "Yes, ma'am," as your entire life was being recited like a grocery list of consequences?
Did you understand you're charged with sexual assault as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call them the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He had.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Story, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's an 8-year sentence, a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes,
State?
That is the plea, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Not really. There was a request for bond, but never mind.
All right, then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not
Isaiah pleads no contest. That's a powerful legal choice. Unlike a guilty plea, he isn't outright admitting fault, but he's accepting the punishment. It's a strategy defendants sometimes take when they want to avoid their plea being used against them in related civil cases. But let's be real. To the average person, no contest still feels like a quiet surrender. What would you do? Roll the dice with a jury or take the certainty of a plea deal, knowing you'll still carry the label of a convicted felon for life? Drop your answer in the comments. This is where law collides with survival.
guilty or no contest.
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. This time, state the evidence states exhibit 1 with all attachments.
And state, have you spoken to the complainant?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You may be excused.
Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
This is your. What did you do for lunch? I didn't get that.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes,
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
other than the fact that, keep in mind, he was 17 at the time. Thinking with what I call the wrong.
This moment hits differently. The defense attorney tries to soften the blow with a clumsy line. He was 17, thank him with the wrong head. In the middle of a sexual assault case, that language feels almost dismissive. Did it humanize the defendant or trivialize the gravity of the charge? Judges hear hundreds of these cases and words matter. Viewers, here's the dilemma. Do you think attorneys should frame their arguments with empathy? Or do they cross a line when they inject humor or casual phrasing into something so serious? Justice doesn't just happen in verdicts. It happens in tone, too.
Head.
Okay. All right, the court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you. Just one moment. Because you're saying he was 17 at the
Yes.
time, but in the police report, it says that they are more than 3 years apart, but
Well, the
joint
girl
collection.
was 14.
Well, according to, just one second, we're gonna go off the record for a moment. Find you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There's going to be Chapter 62 registration and no contact with the complainant and no contact with minors.
Judge Boyd makes a fascinating call here. Instead of the full 8 years in the plea agreement, she hands down 6. Why? She explicitly cites the closeness in age. Isaiah was 17, the complainant was 14. The law says that's still illegal, still harmful, but the judge is acknowledging context. Here lies the eternal question of justice. Should punishment be black and white, or is there room for compassion in the gray? This is where true courtroom drama lives. Not in screaming lawyers or gavel banging, but in the quiet decision of shaving 2 years off a life-altering sentence.
And let me just tell you the reason why I did the 6 years. Because I realize how close in age you both are. All right? And that you're 17, okay? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you're going to need to speak to an attorney, and you're going to have to register for the rest of your life. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
And there it is. 6 years in prison, lifetime registration, no weapons, no second chances. For Isaiah Story, 17 years old at the time of the crime, this ruling will echo through every part of his life. But for Judge Boyd, It was a balancing act, firm but not merciless. This case shows us how the courtroom isn't just about crime and punishment. It's about the constant tug of war between law, morality, and human fallibility. If this breakdown opened your eyes, smash that like button, comment your verdict below, and subscribe for more weekly courtroom dissections. Your opinion matters. What would you have ruled?
Can I put on the record, I take back some of the things I said about them.
You're always a hoot.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
May I be excused?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. She gave you a break, you know that. Listen.
The court doesn't understand. There's a new number one and there are two violations of condition number 41. So why are you all not proceeding on those violations?
Not aware of why that's, Judge. I was just instructed by the attorney assigned to this case that they just wanted to withdraw the MTR and hold off on proceeding before that new number one was ready, since that would probably be the strongest basis to argue for revocation.
Well, you all need to confer because he has a violation of conditions number 41. That means that if those are true, that's something that needs to be done because obviously if that was true, there's something wrong with his UAs, maybe, I don't know. And he's on probation for driving while intoxicated. So do y'all want to talk to probation about that?
We have a little bit, Judge.
Okay.
About potentially altering and amending.
Well, is the defense in agreement to altering and amending?
Judge, we've talked about altering, amending and adding a couple of conditions.
And what would those be?
ISP, service support meetings, potentially GPS if he is able to bond out. I think the bonds are fairly high on his new cases. But while I think that's unlikely, we put a few conditions in place for that.
Probation? Oh, I'm sorry. So they're saying that they want to withdraw the motion. And they're saying ISP and,
I just don't know that felony drug court will take him back at this point, Judge.
oh, no, they're not.
Right, so I did recommend GPS, intensive supervision, sober support meetings, and the IVR hotline.
And Judge, he does have the ignition interlock and has had it.
All right.
And the other, I'm just handing that to you, Judge. The other, when he submitted other UAs, Judge, there's other two. So I believe there are 4 total that he submitted, and 2 of them were negative and 2 of them were diluted. So it was negative, dilute, and then negative.
And I'm not aware of any ignition interlock violation.
I'm not aware of any either, Judge.
All right, so you're asking that the motion to be withdrawn, and of course, the court can't proceed if nobody's presenting any evidence. And the alternate amend, so withdraw motion. Alter and amend to include. So are y'all requesting full GPS?
Yes.
One of the conditions, should he make bond, is partial, and we would be asking for partial.
For what purpose? Partial for?
Yeah, good point, Your Honor.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do full GPS. Once he provides proof that he's employed, the court will reconsider.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so there'll be full GPS. Waive fees. ISP. And how many sober meetings probation? All right, there'll be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Is there anything else probation? Just continue with ignition interlock. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
Anything else from either side?
Judge, I'll just ask, are the 90 meetings Zoom or is that in person?
He can do that by Zoom. I believe they have Zoom. If they don't, just let probation know and we'll figure something else out.
While he's in custody.
No,
Okay, so.
it's gonna have to be when he's, well, I will tell you this. I take that back. I said no too quickly. At the jail, they do have classes that they can take that the court will find acceptable to the 90.
Okay,
Okay. All right. Is there anything else?
no, you're not.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Excused?
Yes,
Thanks, Judge.
you're welcome. Thanks for standing in.
Yes.
Okay.
I noticed a distinct lack of enthusiasm. Don't call me any bad messages.
All right. And Norma, we have someone from the jail, Kerr County. Okay. Okay, but is she prepared for that? Because I know she had other things. And I told her she could take as much time as she needed.
Well, she gave me that date,
Okay,
so let me call her.
all
I think
right.
she's gonna do that.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right, Deputy Laura, when you have a chance, could you bring out Jessica Marie Garcia? And also Christopher Medellin. And those are going to be resets. But I just want them to know what's going on. They have to know.
This case,
Yeah, they do.
yeah, she had a thin deal. Well, and we. I talked to her.
Yes, I will do that. Yes, Good job, Chris.
Okay.
And Mr. Gonzalez.
All right.
Oh, we do this.
I think it's, I think you will. You have to download the program, which will see the code, so like, you'll see it on the, there's a folder in there that says, the funds. It's so very. Double folder for some.
All right, is that Christopher Medellin?
No.
All right, who's here on Early Hernandez? Hello, Raphael.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Excellent.
Did you survive?
Better now than I am before this one.
Look, okay. It's always nice to see classmates, you know, because in your mind, you're thinking about law school and other things.
Absolutely. Those images also flashed through my mind.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0018028 and 2025 CR 0018001B, State versus Early Ramirez Hernandez. Can I have parties announce?
Rafael Leal for Mr. Ramirez Hernandez.
All right, and we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand, please.
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Bean Abrams, license number 2081.
And I previously asked this before and I know the answer, but Mr. Leal, do you speak Spanish fluently?
Yes, Your.
And have you been able to communicate with your client about this hearing?
Yes, Your.
All right. Mr. Hernandez, you entered a plea of no contest in each of these cause numbers. In each of the cause numbers, you submitted an application for deferred adjudication. And each of the cause numbers, the state is silent on your application. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at a cap of 12 years. The cases are to run concurrently, and they're taking in consideration 2024 CR 00180, 2025 CR 00180B, 2024 CC 742954. And at your entering of the plea, the court informed you that if the court were to find that there was sufficient evidence to find that a weapon were used, the court would enter an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. Counsel, do you have any witnesses?
Your Honor, before we proceed, I have a mitigation expert
Yes.
that has interviewed Mr. Ramirez Hernandez, and he's asking me, this is a mitigation expert from MAC, the Management Assigned Counsel. And he asked me to request that he will need additional time to give me a report and provide more information concerning Mr. Ramirez Hernandez social history and mitigation evidence.
And how much time is he requesting?
He asked me for 30 days.
I understand you. So you want to call him and let him know? Tell him that if he has already interviewed him, and this case has been, since May 30th is when the plea was entered. So if you want to call him and see if,
He says that, Judge, that he was planning on meeting with him 2 or 3 more times to properly develop that.
I can, I'll give you to the week of, July 14th. And he needs to have it done by then.
Oh, yes, absolutely. That would-
So will he have it done by then?
I'm sure.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this for July 14th. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Still here? I mean, it.
May I approach for your signature?
Yes.
I just need to put the name and remember. The name
No.
for the 12, I can.
Thank you so much.
Very welcome. Yes, yes.
Yes, thank you. Bashan Ramirez is coming back on the 14th.
I am, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Just one moment. All right, let me find what page he is on. Okay. All right, so where are we on discovery?
Discovery is just about complete. There are two more reports I need, and Jason will get them for me today, Your Honor. We can get a short setting. I think we can sign off on discovery and perhaps resolve the case.
All right, and has an offer been tendered?
I didn't want to get an offer until all the facts in front of me. That's why I needed those two real first.
All right, let me see here. State,
Yes, Judge.
on this case, how much time do you need to give him the reports he says he needs?
Reports that I haven't looked at it, Judge, but I mean, I believe they'd probably be on Verific.
Okay,
And that it could, I mean, I don't know, so it is, e-discovery's been wishy-washy,
Yeah.
so it won't be that much time, it's a couple of weeks, Judge, for the state's point of view.
all right, Norma, if you'll put this for July 17th and state at that time, you'll need to be prepared to tender an offer. All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Judge. May I be excused?
Oh,
Have a
after
good
he
day.
signs the, you
Yeah.
two have a good one. On David Graham.
Hey, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. And this is a plea with an application.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, probation, this is an application. It's on David Richard Graham. Court is calling 2025 CR 001088 State versus David Richard Graham. Can I have parties announced?
Roberto Ambrosino for the defense.
And are you Mr. Graham?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Graham, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge. Waiving the repeat or offender enhancement allegation. No objection.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Graham, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. The state recommends community supervision. They'll take into consideration 2024 AL 005161. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There will be random UAs and random field visits. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
No objection.
State you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding you guilty as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. When are you going to be able to pay off this $5,200? Are you employed?
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
I work at Wendy's.
All right, so when are you going to pay off this $5,200?
I can pay it all. Maybe 4 months.
All right, if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? What are you going to be positive for? All right, so you're going to have to, how old are you? 18. You're going to have to put your life on track. Why were you spray painting stairwells?
I have.
All right, so let me just tell you what's going to end up happening. I'm going to postpone your sentencing. Do you live at home with your parents? All right, are they charging you anything to live with them? So what do you spend your money on?
Anything for myself,
Like what?
essentials, wash, like body wash.
All right, so how much do you make a month?
1,600.
All right, so what I'm going to do is this is being recalled for the end of July. And you need to bring in at least $400 to be paid towards this restitution. Do you understand? All right, Ms. Ferguson, give me a sentencing date. the end of July. Counsel, you're available July 31st?
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right, so you'll need to have paid towards your restitution. Do you understand?
Yes.
And probation, can we have a TAP evaluation started on her out of custody? All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. All right, thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you. That's for sentence and restitution?
Yes. All right, who is here on? That's done. Why do I still have this? Just one second. All right, is there a reason why I still have David Graham? Paul?
I have Graham down here.
No, just one second. Who's here on Angel Rhonda?
I am your.
The interpreter's here. For Rhonda.
All right, oh, come forward.
Perfect.
Good morning.
Español?
Good morning, Judge.
All right, so today is, I'm sorry, I let her.
CR.
All right, today is his plea deadline date.
That's correct, Judge. Client discussed it with my client. He's rejecting the offer and we're requesting a trial date.
All right, and is this family violence or criminal trial division?
It's with family violence.
All right, if you'll confer with Ms. Ferguson on a jury trial date.
Okay.
All right, state, if y'all can confer on a jury trial date.
Yeah.
And how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
3 or 4 days, I would think, Judge.
All right, Norma, I need a jury trial date, 3 or 4 days.
Can do July.
I need to check that real quick.
Okay.
Excuse me. That actually does not work for me.
Okay.
I don't know what else is next, but
All right, Norma, they need a due date.
July 3.
okay,
All right, what date?
July 29th, Judge.
All right, make sure that I have an acknowledgement of discovery. Mr. Rhonda, your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not consider any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Same person. Yes.
I'm not saying 0%. You have to put so you can have a seat and he'll take you a copy.
Norma, what page is he on?
He's on page 3, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Or we'll be with you in just a moment. I got the message. Thank you. I I'm on it. Yeah. You have baby rubber. She has it. Yes, it's up there. Most fun.
All right, who's here on Freddie Gonzalez?
Let me get him on time.
All right, thank you.
I don't think.
And then after Freddie Gonzalez, it's gonna be Fabian Rodriguez. And then Willie Fields.
Yeah, that's fine. Chris, that was him.
Oh, was it? Thank you.
All right, come forward.
Make sure you speak to other people.
All right, on this case, where are we on discovery?
Judge, on the two indicted cases, it appears that both cases do have complete discovery as far as we can tell at this moment. That both cases are related to each other. Documents that are alleged are in our discovery packet.
All right, and State, were you able to tender an offer or no?
Judge, I was not, I believe that the discovery is complete on the two indicted cases that he has, but the defendant does have, about 9, unindicted cases that are leaving indictment, and so, I'm asking the court for more time to obtain discovery and at least some of those cases so that I could, tender a global offer to defense for consideration.
All right, is 60 days enough time? All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 60-day reset.
Monday, August 11th.
All right, August 11th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You can put it as discovery, but the state is going to tender an offer. Okay, thank you. Yes.
Okay, we'll see you at lunch. And we're gonna come back after the lunch break. We'll see you at 1:30. Okay?
All right.
We're still working on paperwork. though.
All right,
It'll be a little
thank
bit.
you.
Thanks, Judge. Ma'am. Your race one crowds. Still thinking about.
All right, who is here on Fabian Rodriguez? Are you ready to proceed on the motion to revoke?
No, Your Honor, we're asking for a reset. My client has 2 cases pending and there is a recommendation from probation and from the prosecution concerning Sarif, and they won't take him with 2 cases pending. So we wanted to take care of those 2 cases. There's a misdemeanor DWI,
Mhm.
and I'm not representing him, but that's set for July 17, misdemeanor court. I think
Okay.
it's County Court Law 15.
All right, this has previously been set for a contested hearing. This is what the court is going to do. Norma, set this for a contested hearing for the week of July 21st.
We can do the 21st.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
And I'm sorry, when did you say again the misdemeanor case is set?
July 17, Judge.
All
So
right.
we're good. We'll have time.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Raphael. Trying to reset the court meeting. No, wait.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 005028 State versus Kaya Medellin. Am I pronouncing your first name correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, could I have parties announced for the record?
Andrew Harris says state.
Donald Wilson for the defense.
And are you Kaya Medellin?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you, Ms. Medellin, did you review the application for deferred adjudication?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it? Okay. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Okay. Did you understand you're charged with graffiti with a loss of $2,500 up to $30,000 as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I believe so.
Ms. Medellin, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $0 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution of $5,200, and there is to be payable to shops at the River Center, the $5,200. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes,
State?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
no, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be no contact with the shops at the River Center in beautiful Aurora, a life skills course, a TAP evaluation, and community service hours. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Be continuing to attachment.
No objection, Your
All
Honor.
right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, so the state is asking that your case to be dismissed. They're saying the reason why they're asking it to be dismissed and for me to sign it is because there is a missing witness. Do you understand?
Yes.
So whatever brought you here today, make sure that doesn't bring you back here. Do you
Yes.
understand? If there's an issue with mental health, if there's an issue with any type of drug addiction, if you can't find a place, because there are plenty of free places, if you come back here, let me know. I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to help you, okay?
Yes.
There you go. Drive safely. The weather is bad. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Are you waiting for something?
I am, Judge, for two things. One, I wanted to introduce my second-year law intern.
The intern come up.
Her name is Destiny Gonzalez. She was a advocate in family violence for.
Oh, wait a minute. I can't see, I can't hear without my glasses. So, who have glasses now? So what's your name?
Destiny Gonzalez.
Destiny Gonzalez.
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. I know you.
Yes.
Hi. See, I can't see without my glasses. Now I see you. I'm like, hi, Destiny.
Hi.
Well, welcome. I'm so glad you found a good place to be an intern. Yeah,
Yeah.
he's been a prosecutor before, defense attorney. So he's a good person to shadow.
So we just want to say, she'll be shadowing me for the summer. So she'll be in and out of the courtroom.
Well, we'll see if he's in trial here. But if you need anything, you're more than welcome to stop by. We're usually in trial in this court every week. I'm not going to be here next week because I'll be at a CLE teaching, which is why I got to get this paper done to them before they say, where's your paper? But you're welcome anytime.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Good seeing you. Wow, it's always nice when you see people who have followed their career path. Of course, that means that you're getting extremely old, but at least it's not somebody that I knew, you know, at least I can't say, oh, I spoke to her at her elementary school, so I'm not there yet. So that's good.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, as soon as they give me your paperwork, I'll call you up.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. And can I have the file on Bianca Sanchez?
We're looking for it, ma'am.
Very box to the left.
All right, is any one of them,
Medellin is on.
Medellin? Would you come forward, please?
So we'll get you up to this black tape here.
Sure.
Hi, so I wanted to let you know that your attorney couldn't be here today. So he will see you on June 26th, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You have any questions?
No, ma'am, I don't.
All right, so I didn't want you to be brought over and not know what was going on.
Yes, ma'am. Matter of fact, I do have one question.
Sure.
Um,
If it's something I can answer, I'll answer it. If it's something best for your attorney to answer, I'll let him answer it.
I'm here right now on this robbery case, but also, I have an MTR and it's not showing any type of paperwork and, they're not telling me nothing about it. So I don't have no hold or no blue one or nothing. I have
So-
on.
you want to know about the motion to
I
revoke?
just wanna know if it's active or they unsuccessful discharge me or anything. I'm not, nobody said me anything. And they,
Right, so we'll find out about that and make sure you have a copy of your motion to revoke, okay? If
Okay.
it's still active.
it's not,
All right, thank you. Just have a seat. We'll get that for you.
thank you.
And Jessica Garcia's out here too, Judge.
Okay. Oh, and Deputy Laura, there's like loud, I'm getting,
June 26th.
yes.
You don't have to.
All right, and then Jessica Garcia. If you come down, please. Yeah.
Make sure you speak up so it's.
Hello. Hi, your attorney couldn't be here today. They said they were not aware of this setting, which I can understand why they wouldn't be aware of it because you didn't report for court, so that's why you have the bond forfeiture. So they're asking that your case be recalled for next week. So they're going to bring you here on Monday. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Yes.
Yeah, Ebony.
All right, Mr. Medine. Probation said they don't even see you as being on probation. So maybe is your probation in this court?
Parole?
Oh, we don't handle parole. So that will be with the parole board. That's a whole different governmental entity.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right, Ashley Jones. Hello,
Morning,
Charles.
Jess. How are you?
All right, how's it going?
Very well, thank you.
We all survived the rain.
Lots of it.
Oh, I was just like, please, you know, the lightning, please don't hit this tree because
Oh.
my neighbor wants my tree cut down. And I'm like, the last thing I need is to be out of the house again.
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, Lord.
For another year. Yeah, it's like a year and 6 months it was beautiful though, but you know. All right, so the first thing I have here is I have the state asking to amend the indictment. Have you had notice of this, counsel?
I have not. My first appearance with Ms. Jones, so.
Okay. And so I know it's your first appearance, but if that's something you're gonna have an objection to.
No, I don't object to this, Judge.
All right, so we'll put that on the record and we'll make sure you have a copy of that.
Yes, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 002-139, State versus Ashley Jones. Could I have parties announced?
Charles Blunt for Ms. Jones.
And are you Ms. Jones? Yes. All right, the state has filed a motion to amend the indictment. And state specifically, what are you asking for in the amendment?
Judge, if I could.
And I think that was filed by someone other than you.
Jessica, we are asking for the term that the grand jury was held to change from 2026 to 2025.
All right, defense, any objection?
No, Judge.
So that will be granted. All right, and I know, State, you're probably not prepared today, but The defense has filed a motion to suppress evidence. And counsel, what is it based upon? Just a general idea,
Just, those motions, Judge, are just
general, okay.
general, yes. So at this time, we're not asking for those to be heard.
All right, so counsel, I know this is, you say this is your first
It is.
appearance. Then you don't know if you have all discovery or not.
I do not know yet. Mr. Stout is present, is the special prosecutor for the State Board of Insurance. He's present in the back as well. So I've been conferring with him. He and I are gonna confer. He's gonna get me all the discovery. We're
So,
asking for like 45 days if we could,
all right, so do y'all think it's gonna take 45 days?
for me to review all the discovery.
No, I mean for you to receive it, because I.
No, I don't
just-
think it'll take that long to get the discovery, but just for me to get it and review it and then return to the court.
All right, is there a need for a flash drive or
I don't-
external
I don't
hard
think
drive?
so.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, reset this for discovery for 30 days. It's just to make sure you
Yes,
have
Judge.
everything.
Yes, Judge. Okay.
July 10th. All right, on July 10th, we'll come back for discovery and state, will you be prepared at that time to tender an offer?
Yes, Judge. I think there's an offer formulated.
All right.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Once you sign the reset form, you are excused. Just have a seat. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Thank you.
Thank you. See you just. This is from a, we did earlier in the month.
All right, did you speak to the state?
Yes.
They have no objection?
None.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Has, oh, he's still conferring. All right, who is here on Erica Arovala? Are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is calling 2020 CR 5583 State versus Erica Ann Arevalo. Could I have parties announced?
I think I'll let them say it.
Lindsay Shaw for Mr. Revel.
And are you Miss Arevalo?
Yes, madam.
All right, did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney?
Yes,
And did you understand it?
yes.
Okay. Are you the same Erica Ann Arevalo who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 5583 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on January 13th, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
I'm sorry, so I was going off of, this might be my mistake, on the front page of the MTR, it shows just she's on for straight possession.
No, it's possession with.
Well, I see
Yeah.
that now. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
No. Do you need to confer?
I do, because on the first page of just the MTR, not that, but the court summary, it showed that it was just straight. No, from probation, the court summary.
It's a court.
Okay.
It should, yeah, so I only discussed the fact, I thought it was a second degree. So if I may, I'm sorry,
Yes,
Judge.
no problem. It happens. But Sean, they have a volunteer intern training for Master Gardener. I think I'm gonna attend. Mhm. Do you know, one of my friends was a master gardener, and if you don't keep up with your classes, she said, they defrocked me. I'm like, what? Yeah, they will take away your master gardening designation if you don't keep up with your classes.
And if you're not. I'll keep it wrong.
I'm sorry, what?
I don't think it's right.
No, no, no. They have water.
But there's a no bar.
Hmm? What? All right, I'm gonna look and see.
You can help.
Yeah, I'm gonna look and see. I'm gonna see what's going on.
We're looking at the mystery book.
All right. There is an application fee of $260. And the classes are from August 20th to November 12th.
And you know, I was thinking about them this morning. I'll go back there. And then not have to clean up.
I mean, I would love to do it, but the time they're meeting is my class time.
Yeah.
And court time, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
No.
Mr. Featherston, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
All right, Ethan Gonzalez. Hello. All right. Let me,
Judge,
obviously is pulling up his case.
okay, can we go off the internet for just a minute?
Sure, just give me 1 second.
Or on the internet?
No problem. All right. You'll need to file those motions.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset, please.
And Judge, as to discovery on the case,
Mhm.
I still have not looked at all the data yet.
Okay,
But I think that 45-day reset will probably take care of that.
okay.
28 July, okay.
All right, we'll do July 28th.
Let me just double check, Judge. I'm supposed to be out of town sometime in December. In July. I can't remember what it is right now.
Is it for work?
Oh, no. It's going to Colorado. No, it's outside of that time frame, so I'm good.
Oh, you're going to Colorado?
Yes, I'm gonna take my motorcycle back up there.
Oh. Okay,
It's I've made 3 motorcycle trips to Colorado and I go to different mountains each
Yeah.
time. So I'm looking forward to going again.
well, that's always fun. You know, there's an attorney, Patton Zarate. He and I
Yeah.
were in law school together. Now he does a lot of bird watching. And that
Really?
seems very relaxing. And he'll post his bird pictures and I'm like, wow. And do you know John Economidis actually wrote a book?
About bird watching?
Yeah, Northern Birds. If
I
you
didn't
look
know
it
that.
up, oh, and it's a
Very smart
major,
guy.
it's a major book and it's
Yeah.
well received, critically acclaimed, if you look it up.
I will never know that.
Oh, he's a
Yeah.
Renaissance man.
He must be.
Yeah. All right, so we'll bring you back on July 28th.
Thanks, Your Honor.
All right, do you
Appreciate
need
that.
to speak with him or any more? Or?
No, Judge, I've already had a conversation.
All right, then the deputies will take him back. So we'll come back on the 28th.
I'll see you later, okay?
And Norma, on that one, I just need to, because, just one moment.